So we just finished up the second day of the RobeCurls Winky Lux pop-up, and we're gonna do our raffle. And to help me, I have one of our curl friends, Zoya. Zoya, how old are you?
6.5.
And where are you from?
Russia.
And where did you just move to? Nashville.
Nashville.
That's right, she just moved to Nashville, guys. And so she's at the pop-up with us, and she's gonna help us with this raffle drawing. So I'm gonna shake it up for you and give it a bunch of good stirs. And so whoever's name you pick out of here is going to win a RobeCurls heatless curling headband and some Winky Lux swag. Are you ready for that responsibility? You can handle it? Cool. All right, she's going in, guys. Oh, she's choosing another one. Oh, she's choosing another one. I love the determination. And the winner is Brittany Gray. Congratulations, Brittany Gray. Yay! We'll be giving you a call. Thank you so much for joining us at our pop-up at Winky Lux. And thank you so much for being our curl friend. You want to wave to the camera? Bye.